Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we brought you the mouth-watering fusion dish biryani burrito. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. Today we are diving it into a very popular dish from North American cuisine, the fried chicken sandwich, or some people also call it fried chicken burger. I am sure you have tasted different versions of it at your local food joints, but did you know you can make it at home for a fraction of the cost? That's right, we have a quick and delicious recipe that will only set you back around 15 bucks for 4 burgers. So let's get started. But first, let's talk about the ingredients you will need. We have gathered the current market prices from common grocery stores in Toronto so you will have an idea of what to expect. To fry the chicken, we will need 3 large containers. In the first one, we will mix all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt, red chili powder, and black pepper. In the second container, we will beat 2 eggs thoroughly for our egg wash and add some salt. And in the third container, we will have some homemade breadcrumbs. You can add salt and chili flakes to taste. Now let's take our boneless chicken thigh pieces and dip them first in the flour mixture, then in the egg wash, and finally in the breadcrumbs to create a crispy crust. Make sure chicken thighs are evenly coated with the flour, then evenly coated with the egg wash, and finally evenly coated in the breadcrumbs so that it can form a crispy crust layer on top of the chicken. In the end, your chicken thighs should look like this. Make sure all your chicken thighs are evenly coated with the flour, egg wash, and the breadcrumbs. But we are not done yet. We are also going to cut a big white onion into half-inch thick rings and then separate those rings individually. We'll follow the same dipping sequence for the onion rings. First the flour, then the egg wash, and finally the breadcrumbs. We need to coat these onion rings evenly with the breadcrumbs to form a good crust. Coat all your onion rings evenly with the breadcrumbs, flour, and the egg wash. Now it's time to fry our chicken and onion rings. We will start by frying the chicken on a medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes until a golden brown crust forms. This is how the chicken thighs should look. When they look like this, you can take them out of the oil, but they are not done cooking yet. We need to finish cooking these chicken thighs by cooking them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the broiler settings for 5 to 6 minutes to ensure that the chicken cooks evenly from the inside. Similarly, we will fry our onion rings for 7 to 8 minutes until they become beautifully golden brown like this. Now let's prepare our sauce for the burger. We want it sweet, spicy, and creamy. So we'll mix a spoonful of mayonnaise, add some ketchup, add a spoon of mustard, and finally chipotle sauce for the spiciness. You need to mix everything well to form a thick and flavorful sauce. Next, we will brown our brioche buns with a bit of butter on a heated pan. We will let them toast for 4 to 5 minutes until they develop a golden brown crust. Now comes the exciting part, the assembly. First, we will spread our sauce on the buns, followed by a fresh lettuce and a slice of juicy tomato on top of the lettuce. Finally, we'll put our fried chicken on top of the tomatoes and then add a slice of cheese. Don't forget to spread some sauce on top of the buns as well. To add an extra crunch and flavor, we will place 2 to 3 of our crispy onion rings on top of the cheese. Finally, we will place the top bun and if needed, secure all the layers together with toothpicks. And voila! Our mouth-watering crispy chicken burgers are ready to be enjoyed. They look exactly like the ones that you find in your local food joints, right? You can pair these burgers with a chilled beer for ultimate summer combo. I hope you enjoyed watching our cooking video. If you did, please show us some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with your friends and family. We love to hear your favorite memories of eating chicken burgers, so don't hesitate to comment down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more fun and delicious recipes like this one. Stay tuned and happy cooking.